Right, good morning Year 6, I hope you're all okay. This is Wednesday's literacy lesson and it's called The Strange Ship. Okay, so today's lesson is just a couple of questions that I'd like you to answer about this picture here. But first let's have a closer look. So, my pointer, right, there we go. So have a look at this ship on a sea, all this around the bottom. Any idea what this is? If you know, brilliant. If you don't know, this is mist. And usually you find mist rising up off the earth when it's very cold or when something's supposed to be extremely scary. So there's this mist here. Now I'm writing with a mouse, so it might not be my best writing. So we've got this mist, and then we've got these sails here. Now how do they look? Do they look like sails on a normal ship? Or do they look a bit battered and a bit tattered? A little bit like a scary, creepy old ship here. Now this ship has got a lot of lights on, I'm noticing around here, lots and lots of lights. And lots of these. Now these are called lanterns, okay, and they used to have them on ships. And they've got oil in traditionally, so even though they provide a lot of light, if they spill they can set a wooden ship like this on fire quite easily. As you can see here, we've got what looks like a cage at the front, and then all these very, very unusual looking people stood staring on the deck. There's a clock for some reason on there. I think that's a clock, definitely looks like one. And then there's this here on the flag, the number 13. Now 13 is usually an unlucky number, so that's a very, very foreboding sign. So I'm just going to do this. So now I'm having a look. This week you're going to be writing about this picture. Well, tomorrow you're going to be writing about this picture. I'm going to give you a start of a story and I'd like you to finish it. But today we're just going to have a look at these questions. So the first question you can see here is what is it that is so strange about this ship? There's a couple of things that we've had a look at. So I'm just going to start making a list. Ooh, the strange thing about this ship is, when finding my colon to make a list, the first thing that's a bit strange is the tattered sails make it look scary, like a ghost ship. I'm going to put like a ghost ship, just going to spread that out a little bit more there. And I'm going to find another point as well, because I just need a couple of points. What else is scary? The other thing that's strange is those people there, like, they're just looking. It's really, really bizarre. The people are just staring off the side of the ship. There we go, full stop at the end there. I've missed my full stop on that one as well. Bad teacher. And there we go. Alright, so we'll do one more question together and then I'll leave you to finish off. So, the next one, who do you think the crew are? Oh, we've already noticed these are strange. Now if you look really, really closely, I think this crew are skeletons. So I think the crew are actually not alive. So I'm just going to put, I think the crew are undead skeletons of old sailors. And then I'm going to say what I think. I think they have been sent back from the dead to haunt. Oh, move that over there. To haunt the seas. There we go. Okay, so what I'd like you to do for the rest of this is just going to get rid of that. Have a look at question number 13. This question here. So, why do we think the number 13 is on the flag? How old do you think this ship is? And what do you think the bell will be used for? Now, where's the bell? That's interesting. Oh, look, there it is. There's the bell there. And then the last thing I'd like you to do, just for today's literacy, is write down anything else strange that you notice about this ship. Okay? Right, so that is today's literacy. It's just a very quick one, just to get some ideas flowing. On tomorrow's lesson, This is the story starter here, and I would like you to have a go tomorrow at planning and then finishing off this story, but only with the rest of the page, so you haven't got very much. Okay? Right. Goodbye, Year 6. Enjoy today's work.